Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net foodish.
Ordar mapi nginwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Kumshibinta ban pensuk ipat ba haglet kawan bat hakit kaba ka office block development officer jaga samanda CNR di block house nam arja khapra klub menchna no ada ke Jingkieng ai kejan hakwa Simsang khnam bikinsuk khamtam e hakapor slam yakani lalap lingba ke jingalam jaga tana directorate of information and public relation yekilar pathai ko bor lingba ka press store shaga thani lom garo yakani ke Jingkieng la tei haka jinglot bakot hadu ar Klur tingka ya ka belatei limba ke jingbei tingka ke MGN REGS bat na ke IBDLP bat ala on pendap yakani ke Projek house nam arja Hapoh limba ke Jingkieng klalong shisha ke jimentoy bat ke jingyarap ke bakrau yakipat ba ke than Chisu Bibra William Nagar is Garo Hills district bat haka ke Jingkieng ki kali ar Shakaru kilaban nya lingba kani Hendreh bapak ya ke jinglong jingman batang Hapoh Snem ke Jingkieng layo I ke jingpei Thliew bak ke bu pat ya kipat ba haga jingma hendaki borsnong ladap bu daga dor khas ho MLA ke than ubadeiru menteri sarkar maramat no yaka
Biar boleh bisa nyak seperti dan nyak.
Nok Marak, CE from Samanda Block. This is suspension bridge at Chisu Bibra. This bridge actually constructed on 2018. But my Johnson. 2018 and the total cost of the project is 2 crore 7 lakhs 27,787, and the total length of this bridge is 140 meter. the main purpose of this bridge is the villagers during monsoon they can't cross this Simsang river because of huge river and they return back. And the most important is the school children is they miss their class, valuable class, and because of this they propose bridge for their and club together with 7 BC and can complete it in 2022. Transportation we use during monsoon. They use traditional boat. They have met their own. There are 7 villages benefited this by using this bridge. This side, this side is 2 BCs there, Rongkem and Guaring.
The other side?
Other side is 7 BCs there. Here we have for repairing. We have prepared estimate and submitted to the honorable minister, local MLA, and they agreed to.
There are 2-wheelers coming at the same time. Are they allowed?
Yes, sir. Two vehicle, 2-wheelers is at the same time is allowed.
They are not allowed to come together.
Not together. Spacing is maintained.
Concrete bridge.
Actually, this land is one side is this land is from forest land. Because of the forest land, they get the permission from the forest and because of this forest land, they didn't get huge because of land is to construct huge bridges. More land is required, so they only they allowed only for footbridge only. Yeah. Right? Total land is only for the purpose.
Even for cutting one tree,
Yeah.
you'll have to wait for permission for 4 months.
It's about 20 years, 20 like
Maximum.
Like maximum. 20 years, and some repair should be done regularly.
Even now also. So
Yeah.
Mamung jazinga nigri mera mi yanu tengah rama dalang kodi tengah mana ni kemen jekuba tengah palisal nakta manenga.
So with the construction of this footbridge, they are getting the benefit now. Otherwise, before the construction of this bridge, they have to face difficulties crossing the rivers, especially during the monsoon.
Orang dagi mera ada tengah ya bridge pa namang tenjo kinagi mera ya bridge namjani kemen ada di tengah tingni lokal MLU tengah ba ya bridge namjani kemen teba thari dapna ni mera tengah ba dabian ko taking achen.
Now they have already submitted letter, maybe memorandum to the local MLA that Honorable PH Minister Soil and Water Conservation Minister for repairing of this footbridge. Biar kuda cakap and yes, giving assurance to them to look into their demand.